What do you got there? You got your soccer ball. You got your soccer ball, huh? You're just beating that thing up, aren't you? You're just beating that thing up for all it's worth, isn't it? Oh, that's not good for a camera there when you don't keep turned into the picture there, is it? That's not good. That's not good. Oh, that body. That body. That's Maddy's body. Yes, it is. That's Maddy's body. Mm-hmm. You love your body, huh? That was your big sister's body. Yes, it was. Let me throw it back to you. There it comes. There it goes. Whoop. And it's coming back to me again. It's a magic ball. Oh, there it is. Did you do that? I wasn't looking. Oh, there it goes. Get it, Maddy. Get it. Yeah, I'd say she looks pretty content. Tough life of a puppy, huh? Play. Play, play, play. Play, poop, and eat. Play, poop, and eat. Play, poop, and eat. You're a little pooper, aren't you? You're a little four-legged pooping machine. Yes, you are. That's sure awful cute. You are